Rolls-Royce, a name synonymous with automotive luxury, has embarked on a bold new chapter with the Spectre. This isn't just another car, it's a revolution in the world of high-end automobiles. This fully electric coupe marks the brand's first foray into the EV market. It's a daring move that showcases Rolls-Royce's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Priced at around $400,000, the Spectre isn't just a car, it's a statement. Every detail, from the handcrafted interior to the advanced electric drivetrain, exudes luxury and sophistication. It signals a future where sustainability and opulence coexist. The Spectre is designed for those who want to make a bold statement while also caring for the environment. The Spectre represents a pivotal moment in automotive history. It's a bridge between the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce and the cutting-edge technology of the future. It's a Rolls-Royce through and through, but with a silent electric heart. The driving experience is serene and powerful, embodying the essence of luxury. This fusion of tradition and innovation sets the stage for a new era of luxury motoring. The Spectre is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring a seamless and intuitive driving experience. The Spectre is aimed at a discerning clientele who demand the best of the best. These are individuals who appreciate unparalleled craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. These are individuals who appreciate the finer things in life and are eager to embrace the future of luxury mobility. They seek a vehicle that reflects their status and forward-thinking mindset. With its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering commitment to luxury, the Spectre is poised to make a lasting impression on the automotive world and beyond. It's a car that redefines what it means to drive a Rolls-Royce. It's a car that will be spoken about in hushed tones for generations to come. The Spectre is not just a vehicle, it's a legacy in the making. The Spectre's electric powertrain is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to engineering excellence. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, early estimates suggest a range of over 320 miles on a single charge. This impressive range is achieved through a state-of-the-art battery pack and a highly efficient electric motor. The Spectre's electric powertrain delivers instant torque, resulting in breathtaking acceleration. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds. But the Spectre is about more than just raw power. It's about delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The car's advanced suspension system glides over bumps and imperfections in the road. The Spectre's regenerative braking system seamlessly recovers energy during deceleration, further enhancing its efficiency. This technology ensures a smooth and controlled braking experience.